Elon Musk says he's considering building a new social media platform. This is something that I did see. I did see this.
Okay.
Because he's just had a Twitter thing going on where he's not super into it.
You mean
free
the poll?
speech?
He's not super into it. He just did, he did the poll.
Right.
He said, what do you guys think? You like Twitter? You feel it's a representative of free speech, this and that? And people were like, no, on the poll.
Oh, and then
I did my very own poll. It was NFT ? I did a poll. And your options were yes, no.
Okay.
How do you think that went, Mo?
I think it went no.
It went no by about 80%.
Yeah.
And it was just the letters NFT. So
Well,
people they're not really into it. Right? And then some people in the replies, they said, that's the type of result I like because that means we're early still. That's the type of answer Will has.
Oh my goodness. Really?
Yeah. I said, it just means we're early still. They're resisting.
Right.
defending till the end.
Mm-hmm.
Well, isn't it true though that like a lot of things are
You want to be early.
in the early stages, they're hated until, I don't know. You were hanging onto your BlackBerry for a while, remember? Didn't you have a BlackBerry at one time?
I don't think I had.
Oh, okay. Did you, Mo?
No.
Or is that before your time?
Before my time.
So what did you have before an iPhone?
I don't remember what it was, but it was one of those slide ones.
A Sidekick?
Yeah.
Wow.
That was my first
How
phone.
about you, Will? Before the iPhone?
Oh, Nexus, Android.
Oh, okay. What about before Android?
Before that,
Like before more modern smartphones? You had nothing with a physical keyboard?
I had a Samsung flip phone. It was like a really tiny one.
Uh-huh.
But before that, I would say I had a phone that can play MP3s, and I thought that was the coolest thing.
Oh, right. You have to load it on or SD card, or do you remember?
Man, I don't remember.
Probably in micro.
Probably.
It
wasn't
wouldn't have
SD
been
card, I
micro
don't think.
SD, but yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Good old days. Anyway, we'll see. Time will tell on this. But so he did a Twitter poll. Given that Twitter serves as the de facto public town square, failing to adhere to free speech principles fundamentally undermines democracy. What should be done? And he says what should be done as the world's richest man on any given day and somebody who could probably do something about it if he really wanted to.
Right.
People seem to agree with him, and then they said, hey, some people submitted to build or work on the project.
Just like hire a crack team of developers.
Yeah.
And then you have like the big prominent people like Rogan, Jordan Peterson, Ben Shapiro. They'll all go over there.
To
Dave
Elon's
Chappelle.
platform. Yeah, probably. People would start a profile probably on his platform. But being in the social media business, you got to imagine it's some type of drag regardless.
Yeah.
You have to
Right.
imagine. I don't know why I think that, but
But if it's true freedom of speech,
his stuff just seems cleaner right now. Although it's hard, cars and space, it just somehow seems cleaner than social media.
Yeah.
yeah.
It just seems like
I wash my hands. I don't know.
seems like something he can just work on. Doesn't need the world.
Social media just has all these conundrums in it and like philosophical. But I don't know. Maybe if he goes this approach, like anybody says whatever they want, that's it. It's town hall.
Yeah. Isn't that what Trump wants his thing to be? His social media platform?
Was it called that? I don't
It's like
remember what the
Truth
name.
or something?
Truth Social.
True social.
Truth Social. But anyway, he didn't make any kind of proclamation. He didn't say, "Hey, I'm building it."
No.
But he obviously seems interested, which is enough for a news story. He obviously seems interested.